Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the price cut by Ford, so that they can be competitive, just like Tesla. So we all know that in January, Tesla started to reduce price dramatically. They cut like anywhere from 5,000 all the way to 13,000. Okay, and they did that across all of their models, and the one with the biggest hit was the Model Y. And as we can see here, just today Ford decided to lower their price on their model, on their SUV model Mach E, which is comparable to the Model Y of Tesla. And you can see here stating that the price cut averaged from $600 all the way up to $5,900. Okay, unlike Tesla, 13,000 on his Model Y, very steep. And here it says that Ford stating that some of the model that they cut the price on, they will not even make a profit on that units. However, just to maintain the volumes, then they're gonna have to do it. Otherwise, nobody else will buy their vehicles. So their goal is they expected to produce 78,000, but they wanted to produce 130,000 units. Okay, these units, when talking about compared to Tesla, it's a lot less. Okay, Tesla is crazy. This year, I think their projected is to produce 1.8 on the low end, and hopefully 2 million. And this is the price updates for the Mach E right here. As you can see, the select rear wheel drive, a standard one, 46,895. The new one will be 45,995, which is the change is not much, only negative 1.9%. And we're going down with the E all wheel drive, 49, and now it's 48, not much. But the California Route 1, that one is the regular price is 63,575. Now it's going to be 57,995. That's like 8.8% cut, which is good. Okay, and the other ones, the GT one is like 69,895, and the new price is 63,995. That is a negative 8.4%, which is really good. So if you're a fan of Ford, or if you love the Mustang Mach E, this is a great time for you guys to buy. You buy it under the $55,000 MSRP price, and also apply for the tax incentive for next year. And it doesn't include these different type of packages like extended battery or performance package, because if you add those, you're going to go past 55,000 and you don't qualify. Here, so pretty much Ford is just like any other companies out there. When Tesla is doing price war like this, they're pretty much going to put like almost everybody else out there will have to go bankrupt. It's either they lower the price and get some volume, or to keep their price and not get any sales at all. So the choices for other competitors, the EV companies, is really tough right now. So I would hate to be any of those CEO at this moment when Tesla is doing this. And Tesla has the ability, and they have a higher profit margin, so they can even make it worse, and they can maintain it longer period of time. So like Elon stated, he'd rather have like the volumes to maintain the volume, and just lower the margin profit. So it doesn't look good for any of EVs out there, but as a consumer, price war, good for us. I myself, I bought like December $70,000 car. Now I probably can buy it for about $50,000. Same car. All right. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys like the video, please give a like. Please give a thumbs up. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.